Saudi's famous Baik is coming to UAE with the launch of first branch in Dubai Mall. Baik, one of Saudi Arabia's favorite homegrown brands, is coming to Dubai. The popular restaurant chain will open a new branch in Dubai Mall, which will bring Baik's range of dishes to Emirates for the first time. Baik was established in Jeddah in 1974, and has grown to more than 120 branches throughout Saudi Arabia and Bahrain. It has been listed by CNN as one of the best 8 fast food chains around the world. Baik has developed a community of fanatics across Saudi Arabia, driving the brand's popularity. Baik recently opened the world's first 8-lane drive-through with its food trucks in the Saudi city of Tabuk, that attracted a queue of cars stretching more than 4 kilometers. Following the opening of 3 branches in Bahrain, at the end of 2020, Baik was encouraged to open in Dubai. The new 355-square-meter restaurant will serve a wide array of chicken and seafood, grilled dishes, and vegetarian options. The beloved Saudi homegrown brand is entering the UAE market in collaboration with ServQuest, a company formed and established by National Holding, Abu Dhabi, dedicated to operating and expanding Baik across the 7 Emirates, led by an expert team managing several successful restaurant brands in the country. Baik has earned its place as Saudi Arabia's most popular restaurant thanks to the hard work and dedication of its well-trained team members, who strive to deliver food of exceptional quality and 100% customer love at all times, said Yazan Malhis, General Manager of Baik Food Systems, UAE. Our recent launch in Bahrain proved extraordinarily successful despite the current challenges, and we are delighted to further extend our reach with Baik's first branch in the UAE. We look forward to a fruitful relationship with ServQuest and will continue to seek out fresh opportunities to serve our loyal customers, wherever they need us to be. Kareem Hajjali, CEO of ServQuest, said, "Many visitors to Saudi Arabia return with fond memories of Baik. Likewise, Saudis and former residents in the kingdom living overseas will often find themselves craving for Baik dishes. We are proud to partner with this much-loved brand on its long-awaited arrival to the UAE and are delighted to introduce diners in Dubai to the unmistakable taste of one of the kingdom's unmissable culinary treats." In 2019, Baik secured first place at YouGov's annual brand health rankings titled Top 10 KSA. It also topped the list of Saudi Arabia's simplest brands in a report by Siegel Plus Gale. The restaurant chain also holds the record for serving the largest number of meals during a single day at one of its branches during Hajj. And that's the latest news of your favorite food chicken delights. If you're living in the Gulf, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.